What up, y'all? It's your boy, Kelly B. Hey, man, I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody having an awesome day. Today is Saturday, man, but it's Saturday evening. I was invited to a sound competition, a bike sound competition. So I decided to get on off my lazy tail and go out here and check it out. If you haven't joined this channel yet, please click the like, share, and subscribe button and support your boy. I really would appreciate it. I really would. I'm trying to get that 10K. I'm pushing, but trying to get it, baby. Trying to get it. But it's all good though. If I don't get it, then you know it's all good. But yo, we're gonna get on it, baby. Yo, we made it, baby. My boy Big Rob over there. They got a nice crowd out here, boy. Look at that right there. Ooh. What's up, y'all? We done made it out here, man. I'm gonna show y'all a few of the bikes, and then we're gonna go over here and check out the sound competition, all right? Let me show you what's going on here. Yeah, they got some nice bikes out here, y'all. Let me get my light on this thing, cause it's getting dark, all right? What's up, man? How you doing, man? Man, I give you too, man.
Red. All right, good job, man. You got the win.
Hey, Rod, you killing them over here. Hey, Rod, killing them over here with this. Yeah. Like I said, y'all, I'm gonna try to get y'all as much footage as I can. But yeah, I had to come out here and support. There's my boy Big Will. What's up, man?
What's going on, bro?
Chilling. I see Ron just sat Gary down a while ago.
Yeah, he got his trophy.
What? Hey, that's your trophy down. Yeah. I gotta get a picture with your trophy. My boy Big Rod won this section right here, y'all. So yeah. Yeah. Hey, Ron, don't be hurting him like that, dog. Cleaning up out here. Y'all check out the trophy right here. I'm 2 for 2. You 2 for 2? Hey, I seen you set Gary down real quick over here.
Gary came over. I couldn't get my USB to net through. I was like, hey, Gary.
Hey, Gary. Hey, you had it, but y'all check out the trophy. That's real nice.
Yeah, I like that trophy.
Yeah. Hey, so if y'all see this red bike and you want some sound competition, don't pull up on him, dog. Don't pull up on him, dog. Hey, Gary. I pulled up. I saw your bike in there. And then I saw your bike was out of there. I get Rob put it on you.
I'll get you out of my head.
2, 3. Black. Alright, red bike flew out.
Say, man, where your bike at? Come on, man. And you in shorts too. You ain't on no bike. You in the car.
No, I'm in the car, bro. I went to the game, dog.
Oh, okay, yeah, I understand that. Yep, the white bike clean up on that one. We got the next bike going in. May that bone rest in peace.
What's up, man?
Good Lord. Hey, Jim going in on that, bro. Rod done put it on him. Rod done put it on him. He got to eat his feelings away. I'm show y'all some more of these bikes, y'all. Flip side, we got
always
the
a
way I
bridesmaid.
do it,
Huh?
get an extra set of bags and put them tins in there.
Here we
you gonna
go.
get you some more bags? You gotta juice it up, dog.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get an extra set of bags.
Get you some more.
Next thing you know, we gonna have two big old, them big old football coolers hanging up the side. They gonna be talking about I need a trailer. I need some maroon paint.
Yeah. I gotta get that CVO now, man.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna put some garbage cans on the side of this other gun. Garbage cans.
We out here tripping, man. We having a good time, man. What up, y'all? Trying not to get a copy strike over here. A lot of nice bikes, good sounding motorcycles, man. They got some stuff on them bikes, man. They got some nice systems. But I bet them bikes heavier than the mud, but they got some nice systems. They sound really good. So yeah, man, we still out here. Getting dark, so I got the light over here so you can see everybody. You can see what's going on out here. So man, so a nice little crowd came out today to support. I think they doing this because some guy had cancer, man. He got cancer, and everybody entered the win to do this for him, man. So yeah, so we out here, man. So I had to come way down here and get away from the music, but you can still hear it real good though. These boys got some systems on their bike, man. So yeah, but yeah, it was for a good cause, man. So they came out here to support a young man that's fighting cancer, y'all. Hey, any good cause, man, I'm down with it. Hey, let's get it, baby. Y'all, we got the food truck out here, man. Hey, man. They say you got some of the best chicken in town, man.
Mississippi fried, man. Some of the best chicken ribs. Whatever you looking for, baby, I got it. I swear to God, man.
Hey, shout out where they can locate you from.
Hey, man, I live right here in Dallas, Texas, man. I live in Arlen, Texas. I be in Spec for 360 in Debbie Lane. Come holler at me. Or book me for any booking. I cater to Mississippi 5. Hey, look me up on IG, MISSIPPY_FRYED. That's where you find me at.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, I seen them people eating that chicken over there. And they said, this the man right here to see right here to get the chicken, man. He got the pit going. He got the grease going right here. Hey, we gonna give him a shot of the chicken right there. Y'all
Hey, man.
Yes, sir.
Golden, man. Everything golden, man.
Yes, sir. So, yeah.
Wait, hey, you eat real?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
Hey. All right, he asked me did I eat ribs, but man, you know what, man? I ain't been eating meat lately. Oh, he got fried ribs right here. Oh, yeah. Y'all see that right there? That's fried rib right there. I'm gonna eat it this one time, man, because I've been laying off of meat. So, yeah. Oh, my God.
Catch up needed, man.
It goes on.
I make my own season.
Oh, my God. That's good, dog.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. This is what I do.
Yeah.
Mr. Fried, man. You ain't finding no fried ribs right here like that, man.
Man, y'all look at that, man. Y'all look at that. Oh, that thing. That man gonna make me start eating meat again. Appreciate that, man.
Yes, sir, man.
Boy, that boy there tearing that rib up. Yeah, man.
Yo, bonus footage, y'all. I just had to come on here and tell you, man. If you're looking for a great set of T-bars, man, I don't care which one you go with. Kraus, Thrashin, Arlen, Ness. They got some other brands as well. But I'm gonna tell you the handling of this bike, and my bike's still running smooth. I just had to come on here just one more time before I end this video like that. But like I said, I got the Thrashin high bend bars with the Arlen Ness triple tree and riser. And one reason I went with the triple tree and riser, man, on Arlen Ness, because the price difference, dude. The price difference is a whole lot better on these, man. But cause you're gonna pay an arm and a leg for Thrashin and Kraus, but they great bars, and I mean great risers and everything. But like I say, the bar setup, the bars that I have on here are Thrashin bars. But the Thrashin bars, the Arlen Ness bars, the Kraus bars, they run about the same, about 150 bucks, man. That's it, about 150, maybe 160, but it should, most times you see they 149 plus tax, man, and do your, you know, your shipping and handling and stuff like that. But if you're looking for a great set of bars, y'all, hey, man, and you want to go with the T-bar setup, you've been thinking about it, hey, I'll say it like this, go for it, man. You won't go wrong, because I've been in traffic since I left the bike show, and man, I've been bobbing and weaving, man. And you can do it really good with these bars. But man, I'm gonna get out of here, y'all. This is just some bonus footage for you if you're looking for a great set of bars. Look at them, look at this, man, look at this. Y'all see these gauges where they sit right up in your face? I love that. And it's still not blocking my radio. I'm gonna tell you, my other bars was blocking my gauges. See, I can see my gauges clear. I used to have to try to look up and try to see my gauges. I do not have to do that no more. I couldn't see my turn signal. I couldn't see when I turned it off, or if I turned it off, unless I looked down at my wheel, and I didn't like that. But they great bars though. I ain't gonna lie, I had them on there for 2 years. But look at this though, but you can see all that, man. So yo, but I'm out of here, baby. Y'all have a blessed one. Until the next time, baby. The next grind, y'all already know. Kelly B gonna bring you what he can bring you, bro. I haven't been riding much here lately, y'all. I haven't been riding much, so it's been so freaking hot. But yeah, but we're gonna get back out because the temperature is changing a little bit. So I'm out of here. Peace. 2, 3.
We rolling, man.